Hey guys, it's Maureen. So let's make this steak cube stew together. Look how amazing it turned out. So here's the recipe. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on all my new recipes, which I'll be posting only on YouTube. So first of all, what I did was cut my meat into cubes. This makes it easier for the meat to cook, and I'll only be using this mother-in-law spice. It's a combination of a lot of spices. You guys should try it out. I added in some onions, some soy sauce. This was the last of it. That's why you see me struggling with the bottle. Anyway, I also added some oil and some black pepper. You're going to excuse my voice because I think I'm losing my voice. I have a cough. Anyway, I think that's better. I mixed everything up together, and then I put the steak in my pot. So you just let that cook for a while. The oil is going to come up because I already added oil when I was mixing the spices. So look at that. Yeah, so at this point you just want the steak to cook. Make sure that you do buy good steak so that it's not the hard one because that one will give you trouble. Anyway, after some time you're going to see that your meat is a little bit cooked. I blended my tomatoes, but if you don't have a blender, you can just chop them whichever way, but blending them just gives it some that smoothness. Yeah, then I added some salt and just stirred a little bit. At this point I think it was starting to look promising. When you're cooking and you go like, oh yeah, it's coming up. Yeah, so this was the point. I covered it up so that the tomatoes should cook faster, and this is how it looked. Oh my god, guys, it already looked amazing. So I have a lot of green onions in my garden, so I added some, a lot of it, because fresh green onion is like so nice and it adds a certain flavor to the dish. Yeah, but if you don't have green onion, you can just add any fresh onion, but just a little bit. Yeah, so but then it's not gonna give it this color, so yeah, do find the green onion. Yeah, so I noticed that my meat was still a little bit hot, so I added a little bit of water so that it should cook more and I should still remain with some stew, because I was going to have this with pasta. My son loves pasta. I added in some parsley from my garden. I don't know why I need to point out curry from my garden, but yeah, I'm so proud of my garden. It gives me it helps me cook so many different dishes because I already have fresh vegetables ready available in the garden. Anyway, this is how it turned out, and it was so delicious, guys. I can't believe I only used the mother-in-law spice. Anyway, it was plating time. I love plating my meals. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the recipe, make sure to leave me a comment. Please share the post to your statuses or whatever. That's the way that you can support me. And also leave me a comment. Yes, comment with a pink heart. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.